hospital, district hospital police, that one couple has admitted in the hospital with stabbing injuries on the neck. So accordingly, after the call, I visited the district hospital and conducted the inquiry. When I get information that one couple was having a talks outside the hospital compound on the road leading from Chandrawada to district hospital. Suddenly, some noise came, and our police constable, head constable, who was on the duty, that is Salim Sheikh of IRB, he got alerted and went towards the sound. He saw one boy and girl are standing, and they are having the injuries on their neck, and there is a knife in the hand of the boy, and boy is again going towards the girl. So suddenly he went towards the boy and kicked on his hand and released the knife from the boy's hand, and further both fell down on the road, and further they were admitted in the district hospital for treatment. So presently our preliminary inquiry is going on to find out, ascertain the exact cause of the incident, and once we find the cause, exact cause, we will take the action as follows.